Here we come, Bakersfield.
Rolling in the gate at the West Coast Rumble. Look at the emptiness. Everybody's stacked up out in the field, so this thing's gonna fill up. It's gonna be good. It's already sunny. I don't know the exact pronunciation, but I think it's Kanzo, eh? Look at this thing. Seen this in Vegas. Dale from Canada. Small block, supercharged, methanol. Just wicked. And he's running A gas. He's going for the 760 ET range or better this weekend. That is nice sheet metal work.
He's very talented.
Beautiful. Thanks for showing it to us.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, here we go. Rolling up for the first hit. It's a qualifying pass. There wasn't time for test and tune for us. Anyway, so we'll see how we do on this first hit. He's gonna take it easy. If it feels good, we'll see how far he takes it. He knows what to do. Scott James, this one's for you. Red Falcon, buddy.
936-139.
All right, Dan Powell, Ron, the Mopar lovers of the channel. Check this thing out. It sounds gigantic. Don't know what's in it. It's got a Hemi emblem on the hood, but it's got a lot of cubic inches. Love GTX emblem. Still on it. Set back on the motor. One bad Mopar. Well, as the cool kids say, we out here. Nova made the journey. Looking good. Need to fire this thing up.
Yes.
Sounds good, right?
Belt centers perfectly.
Okay, good.
Get up on the first jib.
Good.
Yeah, the idle increase was a good call.
Yep.
Eight barrels open. Kirk Hall, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Kirk Hall. Hasn't done anything yet, but still signing autographs. All right, here we go. Rolling up for the first hit. It's a qualifying pass. There wasn't time for test and tune for us. Anyway, so we'll see how we do on this first hit. He's gonna take it easy. If it feels good, we'll see how far he takes it. He knows what to do. Well, it's super handy to have a driver that knows how to adjust a 4-lane. He's under there doing his thing. He's also the one who kept it off the wall. Did a great job. So we're going to try again after a bar change.